welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. CM announces appointment of a team of chartered accountants to audit illegal ore exports. Illegal mining, not much. Illegal handling of ore dumps and export, a major worry, says CM. General discussion on state budget begins. Opposition leader Rane cautions government over achievement of revenue targets, advises government to cut down its expenditure and fiscal deficit. DGP accepts that Goa has continuous terror threat, says ATS will be formed within few months, refuses to comment on state centre tussle on IPS officers. Yet another birth date of Ganesh Raj Narvekar, says Dr. Shekhar Salkar. It will take at least 2 years to reach a verdict, feels Salkar. And Avdumbar Hede hunting for sponsors despite winning Volkswagen Polo Cup 2012 opener. Goa's Avdumbar wins first race, finishes 9th in the second race. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has announced that the government will appoint a team of chartered accountants to audit illegal ore export in the last 5 years. CM said the guilty will face punishment and even criminal action. However, this action will follow state mining policy and rules under the policy to be finalized within a month. MLA Movin Gudino had raised a question regarding illegal mining in the state. CM Parrikar made it clear that there isn't much illegal mining in Goa. However, there is an illegal handling of ore dumps and export.
Draft policy 25 दिसांक उगडी आसतली 25 किंवा 30 दिसांक आणि ती जातकच एक 7 दिसां भितर फायनल पॉलिसी डिक्लेअर जातली. ह्या रुल्सांचेर ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन स्टोरेज of mine as well as dumping will be regulated. We have taken a decision to appoint chartered accountants, team of chartered accountants, for which the names will be taken from the Chartered Accountant Association. They will be asked to audit for last 5-6 years all exports vis-a-vis mines extraction. Before the financial year end, you will find very clearly identified people who have exported without proper documentation or payment of royalty, and action including criminal will be initiated against them.
आता ये उत्तर प्रमाणे जे हांगा इल्लीगल एक्सट्रॅक्शन म्हणून हांव समजता केला, इट इज नॉट मोर देन 6 crores what it is showing. That means, and as per this answer, there are no illegal mines operating in Goa. म्हणजे आमचे इल्लीगल मायनिंगच ना गोंयान. हे कितें बदल जाले म्हाका जाणा जावपा जाय.
As far as illegal mining is concerned, ते शब्दामुळे ताणें तुका तशें उत्तर दिलां. इल्लीगल मायनिंग हो विशय गोंयान कमी आहा. जें आसा पळय illegal dump handling. What was happening was dump which were lying were illegally handled.
And जे लोक इल्लीगल घुसलेले आसले आणि 30,000 वयर तुमच्याच रिपोर्ट प्रमाणे काय तो रिपोर्ट सारको नाशिल्लो.
परफेक्ट रिपोर्टाक कांयच चुकूंक ना. वर्ड चुकले. इल्लीगल मायनिंग म्हणला. गोंयच्यो ज्यो ऑपरेटिव्ह मायन्स आहा त्यो सगळ्यो लिगली चलता. देर आर इरेग्युलरिटीज. इल्लीगल जे पळय एक्सट्रॅक्शन आशिल्ले ओर तो उलयता ती illegal ore. There is a illegal ore.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री, we should not play behind technicalities or words. It is very clear हांव कितें उत्तर विचारपाक सोदता तें, because it concerns all of us.
जे गोंयान जाला पळय गेल्या 500 वर्सां भितर ओर एक्सपोर्ट जाला तो इल्लीगल ओर एक्सपोर्ट जाला. ओर इज इल्लीगल. मायनिंग इज अ प्रोसेस. ताज्या खातीर लीज आसता. ती लिजीक परमिशन दिली जाल्यार दॅट लीज बिकम्स अ लिगल मायनिंग. उत्तर मेळ्ळा तें त्या हाजेर मेळ्ळा. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द 99% ऑफ द एक्सपोर्ट विच हॅज टेकन प्लेस इल्लीगल, जाका तूं इल्लीगल ओर म्हणटा. हांव मायनिंग शब्द वापरना. ओर यस, देर इज इल्लीगल ओर. म्हाका हय म्हणपाक कांयच प्रॉब्लेम ना. म्हाका सगळें इल्लीगल म्हणपाक सोंपें. फक्त टेक्निकली इट इज नॉट कमिंग आउट ऑफ इल्लीगल मायनिंग. देर इज अ इल्लीगल ओर हँडलिंग.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडेंट मीडिया. considering the economic slowdown all over the global and national economic scenario may not support the state government's budget. The proposed giveaways in the budget aren't synchronous with the economic reality. Mining and tourism industry is facing stiff competition internationally. On this backdrop, Leader of Opposition Pratap Singh Rane has cautioned that it will be difficult for the government to achieve its revenue targets. Senior Rane has also advised the government to cut down its expenditure and fiscal deficits. General discussion on the state budget commenced on Monday.
The budget of 2012-2013 fails to build on the achievements of the budgets presented by the Indian National Congress government for the period of 2005-2012. The budget is aggressive from the viewpoint of fiscal consolidation. The reckless budget proposals of current government have destroyed the faith, trust of the government. The reason is very simple. A lot of giveaways are there. Now, there has been deficit also. The budget 2012-2013 hinges on the unrealistic revenue projections. There have been very optimistic projections by the Honorable Finance Minister. Like mining, as I said, there is a worldwide slowdown. And he is projecting around 900 crores in mining income. This is unrealistic, given the overall macroeconomic scenario and not synchronizing with reality. The growth rate, as we see, in all India level has been also very low. There is a slowdown in the world also. American economy is slowing down, there is unemployment there. Chinese economy is slowing down. If you look at the BRICS countries, that is Brazil, China, India, Russia and South Africa, there has been a slowdown. Government has to cut back on its expenditure. I would also like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, the Finance Minister, why in a hurried manner he paid up the dues of the electricity. So I would like to know how best the government is going to make up when we have declared so many freebies, like giving unemployment allowances and so forth. We have to, instead of doing this unemployment benefits and all that, 30 crores I think have been provided. Don't curtail the educational part. Let us teach a man to fish rather than to give him free fish to eat.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
DGP of Goa Police Kishan Kumar accepted that there is continuous terror threat to Goa. In an exclusive interview given to Prudent, DGP revealed that government has approved a formation of an anti-terrorist squad and it will come into reality within the next few months. He refused to comment on the state-center tussle on appointment of IPS officers.
Sir, how strong and intense are these terror threats?
See, there is no denying of the fact that there is a threat and there is a continuous threat.
ATS बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा है?
Yes.
3 साल हो गए.
Yes.
फाइल यहाँ से इस ऑफिस से फाइल होम मिनिस्ट्री को जाके 3 साल हो गए. अभी तक एक बंदा नहीं दिख रहा है.
It is on a definite footing. ATS is in the process of getting shape.
Some policemen in Goa police force have become more loyal to their political masters than the uniform.
See, अब आप इस तरह की बात कर रहे हैं. I think this is a thing which I should not comment upon, and at least I have not experienced it at all.
There is a tussle between Goa police and Union Home Ministry on the IAS officers being sent from center to Goa. आप DGP है, सच्चाई क्या है? झगड़ा कितना है, कितने लेवल पे है और वातावरण कितना गर्म है?
जो चीज मेरे दायरे में ही नहीं है, उसके बारे में मैं कैसे कमेंट कर सकता हूँ?
So you are skillfully avoiding this question.
I'm not avoiding. See, when I'm not the concerned person, and it is not within my ambit.
You are the
And I
Director
comment.
General of Police of Goa Police Force.
I have officers, they are working very well. So, no comments on this.
Don't forget to catch the full episode of Head On. It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.